there you go. Just finished. You can see the flowers on the beads. There you go. I made that. I strung those beads. I made that fun little bead. And I made those beads. So yeah, looks good from lots of different angles. It's a little bit big for me, but it'll be for sale. Trying to get it in the light. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, well, hello. Long time, no see. What have I been up to? Right. Where am I going to start? Well, I'll start with, I finished this today. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus on these little beads. That's what I was polishing and sanding away. There's another one there. A little lentil bead. Toggle clasp. Some fire polish beads. A little purple tiger's eye. Some burgundy glass chips. Little sort of foliage relief with just the slightest little kiss of copper mica powder to make it pop. It's really hard to get this to translate in the video, but I'm really pleased. I'm pleased with how that turned out. That is actually listed at the Mercari site. It'll fit a 7-inch wrist. It's a little big for me. Hangs about down here on me. But I love it. I'm loving how this turned out. So yeah, there you go. Go have a look. There will be more coming soon because I've made these and these. And there's another theme colorway in the works. So yeah, that is what I have been busy playing around with. And then don't forget, I also have these beautiful sort of Byzantine chain maille bracelets available. That is the blue-gray with lobster clasp and a little dangle. So a little extender chain there. And then that is the peach colored one. So yeah. And last but never least, this is the Czech Druk in Blue Luster. This was from Sam's Bead Box. I want to say August maybe. But I really wanted to showcase them and I just didn't have anything, but this turned out beautiful. I am liking how this turned out. Okay. Alright, you guys, so that's kind of what I've been doing in between working like a beast. Put these out of the way. And without further ado, whoosh, right, I was supposed to be create, not consume this year, but I needed some things. And while I was getting some things, I got some more things. But if you've never shopped at Aunties Beads Direct, I absolutely love that shop. It's like wholesale prices, and they always have some really fun and amazing things. So let's go ahead and get this open, and I'll show you what I got. Okay. need that. Don't think you need that. All right, let's have a look. Let's do a little bit of organizing here. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. So let's go ahead and start with, this is what I needed. So this was a need thing. And it's their 2mm leather cord in the Kansa color, which is it's like a chocolate brown. It's really pretty, really pretty. And I wanted, I have some of this, but I have it in the 1mm size, but I needed it in 2mm. So that's why I got that. And while I was there, I picked up these antique brass rhombo metal beads. These are so cool. I got a thing about flying saucer shaped beads, especially in metal, and these are awesome. These are brilliant. I love these. So I got those, and then I saw these. Oops. Well, these are the toggle clasps. So it comes with the bar and the ring. Antique brass pewter wavy oval toggle clasp. And then I just wanted some more. Oh, wait, this says oval. There's no toggles in there. Where are my toggles? I have to reach out to them. Looks like they forgot the toggles and my toggle clasp. But okay, I'll reach out to them. I've never worked with their customer service before, but we'll see what happens there. And then, oh, this was something else. I needed these too when they were on sale. So antique brass 8mm twisted rings. So I got 2 packages of those, so there's 100. I needed those. And then, of course, I found things. These are called nano beads. And they are a Czech glass bead. But I had never seen these before, and I was like, ooh, look how cool those are. They just kind of nestle into each other, like stacked bowls at a restaurant. And look at that. I love that large hole. See that? I'm so excited. Oh, looking forward to playing with those. And this is their chalk apricot color. And oh, look, crystal bronze in the same Czech glass nano bead. Look at those. Look how fun those are. Beautiful color. Never really translates well in video, but beautiful. Love those. So those are going to be fun to play with. Yay. Whoops. Oopsies. Back in the bag. And then I wasn't sure what these would be like, but they were on sale, so of course I had to get them. And they're interesting. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? So they are a really dark, rich red with this travertine thing happening with them. Really unique. I've not seen that. Really pretty. Really pretty. Okay. Those are fun. Something fun with those. And then these were on sale too. So just picked up a couple packets of the Super Duos. This one's an Opal Violet Matte, and this one's Chalk Rembrandt. I won't take them out of the bag because they'll go everywhere. But let's see if you can get that color in there. Just kind of goes with some of the things I've been working on, and I have an idea for them. A little bit different than I think some people might use Super Duos. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then I love matte. I love this matte purple. Just really digging on that. That is a neat color. So yeah, a little love from Aunties beads. And I have to follow up with some stuff there. Little oopsies on their part with those toggle clasps. But yeah, so there you go. Thank you, Aunties. I do love your shop. A little too much. But this is probably going to be it for a while. I think I've got everything I need. But again, that's one of those things that until you start making it, you really don't know. You get to where you're making things and suddenly you realize, you know what? I need this and I don't have this. And then down the rabbit hole you go. And fingers crossed, I should have everything I need. Right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. You're awesome. It's a beautiful day here today, so I'm actually going to go for a walk. And yeah, I'll come back and finish up a few other projects that I'm working on. And if you haven't visited, please visit my Mercari site. I actually just listed this up on the Mercari site. I have a few other pieces up as well. And I'm going to be making some more beads soon. I have some made. I just need to like match them and put them together. And then I will probably sell the beads too. So keep an eye out. Keep checking back at the Mercari site for that. And of course, go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notified every time I upload a new video and see what I've been up to. And I'll include anything that I'm listing on the Mercari site so that you can kind of like see it, like me holding it or wearing it. It's so hard to get really good pictures and really know what the piece is that you're going to be getting when you order something. So I'm going to try and just do little videos to showcase some of the things I'll be listing at the site. Okay? Fantastic. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday afternoon. Get out there, create something beautiful, create a beautiful day. And yeah, I guess I'll just chat with you guys in the next video. If there's something that you would like to see, please drop me a comment below. I can do lots of different things. So maybe you were curious about something, or maybe you're curious as to how I made these beads. I might put together a little tutorial on that. I will try to do a tutorial on the Byzantine if you are interested in learning this. Honestly, with my camera being my video source, I don't think I could get close enough to really show you how to do this, but there are loads of other videos out there that would be much better than I could do. I can put a link to some of those in the description box below if you're interested. But if you are, go ahead and drop me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see. And with that said, you guys are the best. Love you. Bye.